Here are some of the softwares that you can download and use for free and pay for it later when you have work that pays. Camtasia Studio is an easy to use software that I use all the time for my vlogs. As a beginner, you get a 30 days trial when you sign up to download it. Within this period, you will be in a position to do many things with the software, among them screencast, video recording, and video editing. You can even produce paid work using the software trial. This way, when you get paid for the video editing job, you can upgrade to a paid version of the software. DaVinci Resolve 17 is a free video editing software recommended for creators who are into filmmaking. You can do many things using the software on a professional level for free. It's important to note that the computer specs needed in order to install and use this software is a bit higher. Be prepared to purchase black magic products as you progress and upgrade. Final Cut Pro is another great video editing tool. If you are a Mac user, when you download the software, you get a 90-day free trial. This is the longest window period that no other video editing software company has attempted to offer. Their competitor, Adobe Premiere Pro, gives users only 7 days to try. I believe they did this considering the video production industry terrain. There is no guarantee for work when beginning or at all time. It's good offer for a starter who is hardworking and can learn to use the software and do a lot with it during this period. This is another professional software that one can consider when starting up. It was widely used between 2000 and 2010 before Final Cut Pro came for Mac. The company offers 4 different versions of the software. As a beginner, you can start with the free version, Media Composer first, then progress to professional version of it once you start making money from video editing. These are few of the many professional video editing softwares that I have tried and used for free in the past. I know you're wondering, what about Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects? I don't think they are good for starters who have no money to spend on softwares. 7 days is not enough to explore the software and get comfortable with it. Secondly, I understand that many people have access and use patched or cracked version of all Adobe softwares and uses it to do their work. I don't second this, as I'm totally against piracy. I say this from the businessman perspective. If you want to organically grow your freelancing profession editing videos, I recommend purchasing software license or use the ones that I have recommended above when starting up until you make money. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubestudio.com.